Welcome to week 11's homework video. The first thing you'll know is that number 2 says complete last week's hybrid. Pause and click on the link. When you get back to week 10, click on hybrid. And I put in here to practice your phonograms and to really work 2 hours, if you could, on the RISE workshop to get caught up. And so there's nothing to turn in but to work on the RISE workshop. Okay, pause and go back to now week 11. And then number 3, practice your phonograms. We had a quiz last week. Number 4 says to work on your phonics lesson plan with SoundCard. Click on the link if you're not sure or haven't started. So pause and click on the link. When you get here, there's a file to open and it goes through the steps. You're going to need this for November 9th, all completed. It's using your sound card that's in your notebook, the one I gave out in class. And you should have all of the pieces that fit into it and be ready to teach that on the 9th. Okay, pause and go back to the agenda of things to do. Next, you'll be reading chapter 4, mainly just to go over some of the definitions and put that on page 102. There's a link over here of what my notebook looks like. So here's what my notebook looks like. I want you to know the definitions of these 8 terms because they're on our test at the final. And last, there's an article, and to use notebook pages 103 and 104, and this is the article and the link. It's a really good article. I really want you to spend like an hour on this article to really go slow. So I put links in here of what my notebook pages look like to kind of slow you down and really get you to dive into this notebook. To get full credit, you're going to need to show me that you really spent some time on this. And then submit everything by Sunday, notebook pages 102, 104, and I'll see you in class on Tuesday. Bye.